Welcome to Design Unlocked, the 7 elements. In this first episode, we begin with one of the simplest but most powerful tools in any artist's arsenal, the line. A line is a mark that spans a distance between 2 points, but in art, it's so much more. Lines can be bold, delicate, curvy, jagged, broken, or continuous. They can guide your eye, define a shape, suggest texture, or express emotion. Lines can even exist without being drawn. When two colors meet or when a shadow defines a boundary, our eyes perceive a line. Artists across cultures and centuries have used lines in unique ways to tell stories, create movement, and convey feeling. Let's take a quick journey through some famous examples of line in action. Da Vinci's anatomical drawings show how lines can be clean, purposeful, and precise, used to study and understand the human body with scientific clarity. In Starry Night, Van Gogh's swirling, energetic lines become a language of their own. The sky isn't just painted, it's alive with motion and emotion. In The Great Wave off Kanagawa, bold contour lines define every curve of the wave and boat. Each line is intentional, guiding our eyes through the drama of the scene. Sheilah's twisted figures and Matisse's simplified line drawings both show how expressive a single, confident line can be, sometimes saying more than a whole painting. Let's take a closer look at this iconic woodblock print by Hokusai. Notice the sweeping curves of the giant wave. The lines form an almost claw-like crest, adding tension and drama. Look how the foam breaks into sharp, almost finger-like edges. The smaller boats are formed with clean, delicate contours, creating a strong contrast to the crashing water. Even Mount Fuji in the distance is outlined with a calm, gentle line, completely still under the chaos above. Now ask yourself, where do the lines pull your eye? How do they create energy or stillness? So whether it's used to sketch a figure, build a composition, or inject emotion, the line is the starting point of visual storytelling,